Hey guys, what's up? Bill Jazuski. So, I'm at the gun range, 200 yards, 22 long rifle. This is the Sunday before Thanksgiving. I just made a video downrange after I hit the target. I'm going after push pins. I don't know exactly. I already hit the thing. I don't know exactly what round it was that hit it. It was, if I had to guess, I probably hit that push pin somewhere between 15 to 20 rounds, because I sent 10 down there not knowing how to adjust for the wind, because it is stupid crazy windy here today. My crosshairs and my reticle are actually completely away from the target. My where am I holding this thing at? My crosshairs are 2, almost 3 MOA to the left of the target to get onto the target because the wind's so bad. I wish I had some sort of scope camera so you guys could see this, but I don't. I'm on a budget. So yeah, I am actually not even pointing anywhere near the target to get onto that push pin that's in the middle because the wind is so freaking bad. And here it's a pretty decent gust, but down there at the target it's freaking horrible. So yeah. So I'm not even aiming at the target. I am aiming like a target to the left. And the shot that hit it, which I know which shot it was, but I don't remember the shot count. It was, I want to say, somewhere between 15 to 20. I know it was within 20 because I reloaded the magazine. The magazine holds 10. It was on my second load of the magazine that I thought that I was like next to the push pin, and I actually was on the push pin. Like that shot right there. I do not see it at all in the target at all. So who knows? I could have hit it because I set some more targets out there. I have no idea. I doubt that I hit it, but I could have. Honestly, don't feel like getting up and walking out there every time. See, the wind died down out there right this second, so I don't have to hold over that far. Because I saw my second shot. Yeah, see, the wind shifted again. So I have no idea where my shots are at all. That's the crazy thing about this particular gun range. Maybe it's because the water's not that far away. But this is definitely by far absolute windiest gun range I've ever been at. I'm not going to bore you with this whole thing because I already hit the push pin with the 22 at 200 yards. I'm just going to go after it again. But yeah, it's so windy. It's hard to tell. So, see you next time. Bill Jasinski. Thank you. If you guys switch it back. If you guys like my videos, please hit like and subscribe. I appreciate the support. Take it easy, guys. Out.